When it comes time to start doing production on your sold ads from Metro's holiday advertising service, you have two options. You can go to the Creative Library to download the ad templates in InDesign or Quark format, and you can also find the images and cover designs there. Or you can customize your ads in the My Ad Wizard and then download a camera-ready PDF. For both options, you're going to start by logging in. And if you don't know your Metro password, please reach out to our client services team. Let's start in the Creative Library. On the left, you can search for images, ads, and covers using specific Metro file names or keywords. Since the holiday service includes several different holidays, you can use a keyword to specify the holiday. You can also add a keyword for a specific type of business, or for the ads that can be used for anyone, you can use sponsor as a keyword. You can also include a keyword to indicate the style, like religious, traditional, contemporary. If you use more than one keyword, click Exact Match. Then you'll choose the search source based on whether you're looking for just images or spec ads or covers, or both. And if you get our regular monthly service as well, and you just want to search for the ads that come from the holiday advertising service, you can check this filter for holiday advertising service ads only. And you can adjust your color filters to search for just color, just black and white, or both. And if you're looking for images, you can use the image type menu to help narrow down your search, and then hit search. For images, hover over the thumbnail and you can choose to download the image in color or black and white. For ads, you can choose to download the InDesign CS5 package or a Quark 8 package. Everything you see in the preview will be included in the package except for the fonts. And if you don't have either of these layout programs, or if you just don't want to deal with replacing fonts, you can use the My Ad Wizard to get a camera-ready PDF with the fonts embedded for any of the single advertiser ads. Any multiple advertiser ads, cover designs, or images will still need to be downloaded from the Creative Library. So to get to the wizard, you can click the My Ad Wizard tab at the top, or from anywhere on our site, you can go to the search menu and select My Ad Wizard. So in the wizard, you can either create the ads from the start, or if a sales rep already created spec ads in the wizard to sell with, you can go in and download those. So let's start with how to create the ads. You'll select an advertiser from the list, or you can create a new one and enter the business's information. I'm going to start with one I already have entered here. You can upload a logo if you want. Just click Upload Graphic and you can browse your hard drive, and then click Next. Here you'll search for a template. So you can search by Metro file name or keywords. Again, Exact Match if you're using more than one. And then click on a template to select it. So if you're happy with the ad the way it is, you can download it right from here. Or you can do some further customizing first by clicking Customize. So here you can edit how the advertiser's information displays on the ad. You can place the logo on the ad if you're using one. You can adjust the size within reason. And you can also change the ad to black and white here. So we're going to add the logo. I don't need to have the company name as text because it'll just be redundant with the logo. So I'm going to remove that here. And then under the logo area, I'm going to hit Place on Ad. And you can just drag it and drop it where you want it to go. Grab a corner to adjust the size and then hit Done. If you need to go back and tweak it, just click the logo again and you'll be right back into edit mode. So now I'm going to save the ad just in case you need to come back to it later. You want to make sure it's saved, or even if you want to come back to it next year. So save, and when you save an ad, it saves to a presentation. A presentation can contain just one ad or multiple ads for a particular advertiser. So you can assign it a job name if you want, save it to either an existing presentation or create a new one. And now you can download the file, and if you didn't already save it, you'll be prompted to do so before you can download it. You can download it as a camera-ready PDF, as a JPEG, or if you want to make changes in Quark or InDesign that you can't do in the wizard, you can click Production Files, and that will take you into the Creative Library, where you can download the InDesign or Quark package of the template. Just to note, these ad packages downloaded from the Creative Library will not include the fonts or the edits that you've already made in the wizard. There may be cases where your advertiser has a specific font that they use for their business name, or maybe they have multiple locations that they would like to include in their ad. So if you run into a case where it would be easier to not have any company information on the ad at all, you can remove it from the Customize panel. Just click each field and clear it out. And if it doesn't all go away at first, just hit the refresh icon down here. Now you have a nice big blank area, so you can download the Camera Ready PDF, still have the fonts embedded. You can open it in whatever program you're using and just drop in your own text boxes, and it gives you just a little bit more flexibility with how you can lay out that portion of your ad. Now, if you end up wanting to do this for a lot of ads, I have a hack for you. So go back to step 1, and when you create a new advertiser, enter each field just by tapping the space bar once. So you're putting a blank space in each one of these fields, including the advertiser name. And then when you select an advertiser from the list, you'll select this blank spot at the top of the list. And any ad that you create will automatically have all that information blank to begin with, and you won't have to remove everything in the Customize panel each time. Now, to go back and access your saved ads, or if someone else has already created an ad that you need to download, you can look at this path along the top and click the first link. This should show your company name. And this will show you all of the presentations that have been created within your company. You can filter by advertiser and by sales rep. Click the folder icon to view all the ads in the presentation. And then you can click this icon under any individual ad that you want to download. And the options are all the same as they were in step 3 of the wizard. If you want to further edit it in the wizard first, you can click Edit in Wizard. And if you'd like to see more video tutorials on using the different features of our holiday advertising service, you can go to the support menu and select Video Tutorials. And then look for the section for Holiday Advertising Service. If you have any questions or need additional help, please call our client relations team at 800-223-1600, or you can email us at service@metro-email.com.